Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add custom schedule to Robot Cleaner E1 by Lenovo. To do this, first you will need to pair your robot with Lenovo app. I showed you previously on how to do it. When it's already paired, we can move to More. Inside, select Schedule. Here we can click on Add and you'll be able to set up your own schedule with specific time. Repeat, you can change it for all week. Then also note, you can leave a note to identify this schedule much easier. Enable notifications and then switch to different clean mode with auto, random, edge, spot or dock. And when you're ready, click on save and your schedule should be activated. You can also click on the switch to turn it off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.